to the channel. It's your boy Data. You feel me? We really out here, state to state. We in Las Vegas, Nevada. This heat is cooking. I'm too black for this, but look, we stopped by somebody's special garage. He came down all the way from Vegas to LA for the tournament. So I told him, since you did that, I'm gonna come out to Vegas. I'm gonna show some love. So now we over here at TioBRacing, man. Check out their garage, bro. Insane. Got the same real, bruh, four-wheelers. This is what you call a man's garage right here. This ain't for none of you kids out there. Y'all see the tire. It's going down, man. How you doing?
Pretty good, man. It's Devin. We're from Vegas, man. Got Day down here hanging out, show him around. This is the RCF Micro. We got it from Evan Rubble. I want to say he's back east. He's doing his own frames and stuff like that. We actually picked two of them up. Got my dad over here. He helping out with all the builds and all that. He's built a couple motors and stuff like that, man. I got my kid over here. He's hanging out and stuff like that, dude. So we just try to have some fun and try to get some racing going on. This is a 3-inch stroker with a DED billet head. It's the GX200 block. We got it built by Johnny Berry from Laid Back Racing. We actually want to sell it right now. We got it up for 37 with a bully clutch and a driver. Then we got our trike over here, man. This is the Bobby Hammond back half with a Motovox front. It's just an all-stock Predator. It's got the just the exhaust, bigger jet, and the governor taken out with a torque converter.
Man, this
we did got some custom brackets made by a local guy out here. This is a Brad Hill tank. We try to support the Facebook group, man. We're pretty local around a lot of Facebook groups and stuff. Back east, out here. Then we got my son's bike right here. This is another RCF Micro. This is the same one as that one, but we came up with a different axle setup on the big tire over there.
right.
So this is pretty much how you can order it from him, as a roller or just frame and forks. So give him a shout out. That's RCF Micros, Evan Rubble, and then just random stuff, man. We got that. Yeah, just we built the forks right here. We got these all set up. These are actually dirt bike forks off of a SSR 125. And then just the risers and all that go power sports and shit like that. So then we got the all original Bronco. This thing's actually up for sale also. It's got the all original Pirelli tires. The only thing I think we're missing is the seat. That's the only thing we haven't been able to get a hold of. This one over here, this is just a big tire Megamoto 212 off of Go Power Sports. We ended up adding a light system to it. It's got front and rear lights. It's got some motor work done to it, and then we actually, this is all solid when it comes in from Go Power Sports. We pretty much cut it up, a bare frame, cut it up, added this Heim here, and then added the suspension and all the tabs and everything. So it, I mean, you could tell a little bit. It gives it that little cushion, but like he says, man, he won't ride another small bike. This is his cruiser, and we're doing about 80-mile night rides and all that. We'll leave it about 8 o'clock at night, man, and not even get home till 3 or 4 in the morning. Just waving, hey, how's it going, guys? Bike trails all over, man. So it's a lot of fun, dude. We try to have fun out here. We got probably about 15, 16 solid, steady riders and all that, man. We'll be going out to Fast Fridays tonight, Friday night, and then that starts around 8, 8:30. Dudes start showing up about 9 o'clock. Kind of want to get out there a little bit early. From there we go to just hang out throughout the night. Some guys will go for a ride or whatever, and then Sunday it's a little hot out here. We're not as cool as Compton and LA, man. I went out there for the tournament, dude, and it was about 90 degrees when I showed up during the day, man. But once it hit 70, I was like, woo, it felt good, man. It felt real good. But out here, dude, it's a dry heat. It's real hot. It's like probably 100. I can tell you right now, it's about 100 out here right now, man. So hopefully it'll cool down, probably around 90 at night.
And that's just the head. That's just been sitting in the garage.
That's just been sitting in the garage. And then after riding it probably about 10 miles, it got up to, I want to say 200. And then I want to say my head is probably right around 210 after 2 passes on 91. Pump gas.
So once I look at this tire, big huge, man. And it's a stock carburetor?
It's a GX 390 big block carb, bigger jet.
Oil everywhere. Put your light up front. Little 8-inch LED. Yes.
All that is just a 3D printed.
Think whatever battery. If you run Makita, Milwaukee.
Hold on, baby.
You run
Makita,
Milwaukee,
anything
DeWalt,
like that, just straight hardwired.
Find them on Amazon. That thing's comfortable too. The 1969 Bronco. Look at the brakes.
It is jack shaft.
Hey, look at the brakes. How the disc brakes on the fucking sprocket. And then the front on the inside, it's bolted around the out. That's 1969. You sit on that thing, it's comfortable. See all this? I took a Scotch-Brite. I can get this whole bike this color. See this? This was brown like this. I just scuffed it up. We made this trip plan. You can make this mini bike.
We got Tim on the line. Yes, sir. Y'all know what frames these are right here.
Feel me? Big J, you feel me? Coming from Las Vegas, you feel me? I'm from Cali, but I live in Vegas, you feel me? Out here with the movement, we're trying to get something started, man. And hope y'all from LA could come out here, man, and join up with us, man. Feel me? Y'all ride safe, man.
Day 2. I didn't know you was out here day 2.
Try
TriStars, GTs. What up, man?
Vegas live right now.
Hey, y'all, look, we out here, man.
Bro.
We out here.
Number one right there, bro.
We out here, man. Trying to out here have fun, man. Sir. Man, look. This is fun, man. They got some street. They got street all day, and they street smooth. In LA, we got our street ain't like this, man. It's wild. I'm glad to see it's state to state with this mini bike scene, man. I seen because of that frame right there.
You know where that frame came from?
Look, if you know, you know.
Where that frame came
If you know, you know, man.
Yes, sir.
Next time you see me, he gonna be like, "Hey, man, I seen you in Vegas, one of my frames." I'm like, "Yeah, man."
He wanted way too much.
Who did your motor?
Oh, it's just
Mo?
better.
Frame, motor, he did it all.
Uh-huh.
Ain't next.
Yeah, run it.
Look at that sign now. Look at that. Look right there. Look. See that sign right there?
What? Run it. What is it? I want to race you.
What is it? What you got right there?